Hey everybody, welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. As always, I am your host, Jason. Today, we are going to make an Espresso Martini. I've had them before. I enjoy them quite a bit. It's a wonderful nightcap. I've never actually made it before. One of the main reasons is I don't have an espresso machine. Most people watching this probably also don't have an espresso machine. What you can do though is use cold brew, which is what we're going to use for this drink today. So to start out, we have a shaker full of ice, and we're going to use 2 ounces of vodka. As always, if you've seen my videos in the past, I love Tito's vodka. It's my go-to. It's very affordable and high quality vodka. 2 ounces of our Tito's. We're going to use a ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. I like Kahlua. That's what I have in my bar. Goes well with a lot of drinks, and that's what we are using today. Again, a ½ ounce of that. Then to help combat some of the bitterness of the coffee, we're going to use a ½ ounce of simple syrup. And last, but certainly not least, we're going to use a cold brew concentrate. So this is made by Chobani. There's a bunch of brands out there. Like I said, I don't have an espresso machine in my house. I don't drink enough espresso to need it. I buy this on occasion to drink as it is, or especially for this case, the Espresso Martini. We're going to use 1 ounce of our cold brew concentrate. Oops, that does not go in there. And now we're going to shake vigorously. All right, before we pour though, I love to make this drink look even better. Take some Hershey's syrup, or any brand, I guess, of syrup. I think Hershey's is pretty much the most common one. And just kind of go up and down inside your glass. I think it adds a little bit of extra garnish, maybe I guess is the best word, to your drink. And we go ahead and pour this into our cup. Most people, if you order this at a bar, they're going to say to garnish this with either some coffee beans or espresso beans. As I mentioned before, I don't have an espresso machine. When I drink coffee, I buy it pre-ground. I don't have those in my house. You probably don't either. If you're drinking at your home bar, you're probably not going to have it, but you might have chocolate syrup, which is why I use that. So we go ahead and we enjoy. That's delicious. Just a little bit of sweetness. The chocolate's there for sure, and the coffee flavor's right there. You don't really taste the vodka. Makes it a little dangerous because they are so good. Go down so easily. So thanks again once for joining us. Please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the future. Cheers.